One of the things about leadership is that you gather together what you need to create what you believe you desire to see. This is the card that was created from what you gathered together. What you gather together as a leader, as a creative, is sometimes very different than you started off with, and I think that's what makes it so much fun. Now, the inside of the card is totally different, and it has, of course, a saying on the inside. And the key with that is start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. It's not about perfection in leadership. It's about direction. And when you find out that there's a shift or a change that you need to make on the next time, then you just utilize that to move forward and be the best you can be. Okay, these are the pieces that we've gathered. What's next?